Welcome back to the Node.js series. Today we will be setting up our version control using Git and GitHub. I will show how to create GitHub repository. So let's go to the GitHub. Here's my GitHub, and in this plus icon I can create a new repository. So named it Node Basics. So it is available. So I'm just creating it. Once the repository is created, GitHub will show the commands that we need to run. So let's go and run this command. This is our commit message. So I need to first add all, then commit, then I need this command, and finally I need to post the code. So the code is up to date with our master branch in the repository. Here it is. So you can continue to work on it while keeping track of changes. That's it. You have successfully created a GitHub repository and pushed your code from VS Code. In the next video, we'll be handling user input and working with forms in Node.js. So stay tuned and subscribe. Thanks.